I just got home from tour. I got a chicken that's got a dirty butt. So we gotta catch her so that we can wash her little butthole off. You little crusty bitch, come here. You little stupid bitch. I'm gonna get you. You need your butthole cleaned. Why are you fighting me? Don't shit on me. Victory is mine, mother. Hey, shut up. You're doing too much. Hey, you're doing entirely too fucking much. There's shit in my crop, bitch. Chickens get hasty butt, meaning their shit gets stuck up on their butthole. This can cause infections and some blockages, and it's just overall not healthy for your chickens. Girl, see that? She's one of my more feral chickens. And cut the feathers around the vent to get up. You saw them dangleberry? We now have a clean butthole and can return back to our flock.